Okay, so what is ClickUp? ClickUp is most notably a task management tool with a whole bunch of extra add-ons for useful things that help overall manage your work well together. So most notable is Docs. We've also got emails, goals, relationships, mind maps, Notepad, a whole bunch of extra features there to help task management go well. So what is task management? Essentially, you have different things in your work, things like incoming work from the main streams, things to remember, loose ends, and then all the communication and collaboration with your team that are all kind of coming in somewhere. You need to organize it and figure out what to do next. So what ClickUp does is it brings it all into an organized structure and then creates a clear workflow for the steps that each task needs to go through. It gives you a clear assignment, particularly if you're working with a team, and then gives transparent due dates. Plus a whole bunch of extra information that you can kind of add. These are the key points that kind of keep things flowing. From there, it gives you reminders at the right time so that everyone remembers to do what they need to do. Context-rich notifications, so not only can you see what you need to do, but you can see all the extra information about it, all the conversation that's happened about it, extra instructions that have been given, files that have been attached, all the information. It's all there, which gives you a single reference place. So if you need to find out information about the work that you need to do, the task, what the job is, and all the details, there's a single place you can go and look. And that cuts down so much time rather than having to go and search for information in lots of different places. You also get clear overviews, particularly for management, but even for individual workers, just to see what is going on, what are my tasks, to get an overall look at the work and what needs to be done. Is really, really helpful. And lastly, job-specific interfaces. So when you're doing any type of particular work, you need to see certain tasks, certain information in a certain way. And you can set those up for each type of work that you need to do. So ClickUp is totally customized to each specific job that you need to do or your team needs to do. So overall, it simplifies management for managers and work for workers. On a day-to-day basis, it'll be where you go to find out what you need to do, the information you need to do it, and it's also where you can collaborate with others to get it done. So definitely a great tool and worth using. In most cases, it will improve the productivity of any business who hasn't had a similar tool like that before. And for those who have, often like ClickUp better. It's just a really good combination of features and flexibility to allow you to do what you need to do.